All right, this is the litter boxes and the litter proof chamber that they have to go through to get out. So each litter box works just like a basic litter box. You lift the top open and clean the litter out. Then you take this one off and clean the litter out of the bottom one. They're very big though, so they last a long time. The thing that makes this magic happen is this one, this third box, they're all the same kind of box, has an entrance in the bottom right hand corner. So the cats go in and come out here. Once they're in the chamber, the first choice they have as far as direction, there's a separator here. So the first choice, they have to come up to this part here. Once they're here, they can either choose to go down the bottom and into that litter box down there, or they can choose to come up to the third story and go into this litter box right here. I sprayed great stuff to kind of seal the edges and then carved it out so it somewhat meets, but not perfectly. So then they have two boxes, and whenever they get done pooping or peeing, well, on their trip out of it, all the litter is going to come off of their feet on these doormat materials. And then when they leave right through there. Hey, Scuzzy, you want to show them how it's done? Come on. Go on. Show us how it's done. Come on. Come on. Show us how it's done, Scuzzy. Come on. Show us how it's done. Show us how it's done, Scuzzy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Are you going to the bottom litter box or the top one?